Ethereum has had some big developments, a new chain is coming to Opensea, and users may be getting their funds back from a bridge hack. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Be sure to follow us at Altcoin Buzz.io, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. And don't forget, for a limited time, our Altcoin Buzz Access group is free, and while it is, you can get our great weekly market and NFT update reports from our amazing research team. Check them out for free now. The link is in the description below. Now, let's get into the news. As Ethereum holds strong around 1250, the number of addresses holding more than 32 ETH hits an all-time high. Addresses with 32 ETH are able to install a full node with validation, and there are now over 120,000 wallets holding that amount. Stablecoin aggregate volume has also hit a new all-time high. When stablecoin aggregate volume reaches a high, it shows the potential buying power for Bitcoin and ETH that is sitting on the sidelines. When Bitcoin hit 69K, stablecoin volume was low, meaning you could expect the price to go down as not many people are still able to buy. Now that we've retraced 75%, the number of stables on the sidelines has hit a new high, as people wait patiently on the side for a sign that the momentum has turned bullish. The classic Windows media player Winamp has integrated music NFTs into its platform. Winamp's new feature will allow users to play audio files embedded in their non-fungible tokens, calling it a Web3 desktop upgrade. Launched in 1997, Winamp's latest version lets music fans link their Metamask via Brave, Chrome, or Firefox browsers to Winamp. Winamp supports ERC 721 and ERC 1155 audio and video files and is compatible with Ethereum and Polygon. The CEO of Winamp said the genesis of Winamp has always been about accessibility and innovation, and today we're proud to launch the very first standalone player reading audio NFT players as well as any other existing formats. Winamp says its NFT support will be coupled with other updates to make Winamp a universal and advanced listening platform that will include a cross-platform creator service that will launch in early 2023. A little while back, we covered how Metamask received some backlash when they updated their privacy policy, changing language that made users question why Metamask was saving users' data. Metamask later came out saying that they don't need to store the data, they just collect it and get rid of it when they need to. Consensus, the company behind Metamask, just announced they're working to reduce users' data retention to 7 days in the next privacy policy update. Many believe there's no need for them to even collect it, and it's a red flag that they even store at all for privacy's sake. What do you guys think? Is this good news for Metamask? Today, Optimism, a layer 2 on Ethereum, announced they'll be doing retroactive public goods funding round 2. In February 2023, 10 million Optimism will be distributed to people and projects powering the public goods that make Optimism possible. They say that well-funded public good means better developer tooling, widespread user education, safer infrastructure, and industry-leading research, which means Optimism can last and thrive. To accomplish this, they use a mechanism called retroactive public goods funding, which is based on the simple idea that it's easier to determine what was useful in the past than to issue proactive grants for what might be. For this, nominations for round 2 will open to the public in January 2023, and the initial set of 90 badges will be distributed for voting in early February, allocating 10 million Optimism, worth about $10 million right now, to the nominated projects. As this is retroactive, it will definitely incentivize developers and projects to work on Optimism for future rounds of funding. BNB Chain NFTs will now be available for listing and sale on Opensea. The integration with Opensea's standard core marketplace will enable BNB Chain support for creators to buy and list NFTs. BNB Chain will launch on Opensea's Seaport protocol by the end of the year, allowing multiple creator payouts, collection management, and other benefits for BNB Chain creators. The integration will enhance the NFT trading experience for over 1 million users while bringing in many more new users. The integration of Opensea and the BNB chain will allow creators to avoid high gas fees, making signature confirmation actions easier to see, and eliminate the need for new users to pay an account initialization or setup fee. REN, an open protocol built to provide interoperability and liquidity between different blockchains, has just put out a warning to its users. As REN was acquired by Alameda last year, they've taken a big hit in the last month. They plan to wind down their REN 1.0 networks and launch a fully community-controlled REN 2.0 network. The important update that REN just put out was that there could be a compatibility issue between REN 1 and REN 2, so holders of REN assets should bridge them back to their native chains ASAP or risk losing them. Cross-chain bridge protocol Nomad is getting set to relaunch and partially reimburse those who lost funds in its $190 million hack earlier this year. Nomad has asked affected users to go through their Know Your Customer KYC verification via CoinList, a centralized exchange and launchpad platform, to receive their reimbursements. The team at Nomad said the KYC process was essential to ensure the payments were in line with compliance norms. This verification process is now open, and once it's been completed, users will receive a special NFT granting them access to a proportional share of the recovered funds on the Ethereum blockchain. These NFTs will be non-transferable and will allow them to receive any additional funds that are recovered in the future. The total funds stolen in the incident amounted to 190 million, making it one of the largest crypto hacks of 2022. Of this amount, ethical hackers saved and returned more than 22 million. The team hopes to reopen the bridge and return these recovered funds after months of halt. dAPP Radar has just released its November blockchain industry report and provided some interesting insights. In November, the average number of daily unique active wallets on blockchain dApps reached 1.9 million, a decrease of 5% over October. However, this small decrease demonstrates the industry's resilience during uncertain times. The dominance of games for the unique active wallets has decreased from 45 to 42%. However, the dominance decrease has also been attributed to the rise in interest in other categories, especially DeFi. BNB Chain is in first place as the most active protocol with 650 daily active unique wallets on average. Wax is in second place with 382,000, driven by various gaming dApps on the protocol. The biggest loss in total value locked this month has been on Solana, with 71% decrease, reaching 366 million. Ethereum still leads with 32 billion TVL, down 24%. Ethereum's dominance in November dropped from 62% down to 49%. BNB Chain and Arbitrum were the least affected protocols, with 3 and 5% decreases. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.